Hi, nature lovers. Let's explore the letter N. N is for nest, a bird's home. Can you say, N nest? Well done. Nice work. Let's discover more N words. Draw a picture of a nut. Don't forget the word nice. Nature is full of splendid surprises. Noticing nests is a fun activity. Nurture your love for nature. Next time you see a nest, smile. Remember, nature is precious. Now, use N words every day. Have a nice day, nature lovers.